we will going to repeat that what we have done in the last lecture. And as you can see that in the last lecture what we have done, so we have taken one half adder and we have drawn the table for it, truth table. Then we have seen the full adder and we have got a table of a full adder, and we have just take out the what will be the sum and what will be the carry. So let me move ahead and let me draw the circuit for this. So I have got a, let's say I am writing this as a A, I am writing here B, and I am writing here C. So what was my expression for the sum? My sum expression was A XOR B XOR C, and my carry was AB plus BC plus AC. I'm just writing my sum was, if I just repeat A XOR B XOR C. So I can write this like this, A XOR B, and then I can put a bracket and then XOR C. So I can take a from here, I can take a B from here, and I can draw a XORing of this. Okay, so this will be my A XOR B, and then I will going to take a C from here, and let's say I will going to combine this, and I can write it like this, A XOR B XOR. So this will be my sum. What will be this? This will be my sum. Is it clear? And if I ask you about what will be my carry, okay, so what was my carry? My carry was AB plus BC plus AC. Okay, so my carry will be, let's say I am writing here carry equal to AB plus BC plus AC. So I can write it this in this way, AB. So I will be taking A, and from here I will going to take B, and I will going to AND it. And I will going to take B, and I will going to take C, and we are going to AND it. And then I will going to take A from here and C from here, and we are going to AND it. And what I am doing, I am combining all this. So I will going to combine it all. Okay, so this will be my carry, which will be AB plus BC plus AC. So this will be my carry.
So in the next lecture we will going to talk about the half subtractor and full subtractor.